spread. Hey, I ordered a bunch of food.
I ate them.
No! You guys are killing it right now. Get that. Looking good, spread. Let's ride. Today is going to be a very filled day. We've been watching Game of Thrones every Sunday, and a friend of mine was like, hey, I don't know what she does. She's always got some cool hookup, but she was just like, hey, I'd love to give you a Joymode experience. Where's the music coming from? So we got this experience from Joymode, and basically what it is like a membership, and they have all these different experiences, and then you can sign up for it. One of the experiences was an outdoor movie thing, and I was like, oh, this is perfect, because our friends Ted and Steph, they have their own place. They have like a nice backyard, and we could just do an outdoor movie theater. So we did that, but then I was like scrolling on their website, and then I saw that they have a jumbo Jenga set. That's hilarious. So then I asked him, I was like, can I order the jumbo Jenga set? And they're like, sure. I kept scrolling, and then there was a Nerf Battle Royale. They give you 10 Nerf battle guns. One of them is a crossbow. I was like, oh, I'm wondering, could I also add the Nerf Battle Royale? She's like, sure. And then she's like, do you want the smoke machine too? Yes. Yes, I want the smoke machine. We'll be watching Game of Thrones, and then afterwards, I guess the game will begin. I don't think a lot of people know what's gonna be happening, because I haven't told anyone. Ted and Steph were very gracious in hosting the Joymode experience. Ted just started texting me, there's so much stuff. There's a lot of stuff. There's blankets, there's a popcorn machine, popcorns, Nerf guns. I'm sure there's ammo, jumbo Jenga, smoke machine, so many things in his house. Thank you so much. Look at the Nerf guns. Hi. Oh my gosh, look at these guns. This is huge. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is the jumbo Jenga.
We already played it once. It's tough.
It's tough?
It is so fucking tough.
I can imagine.
Also, we're not level.
It's all about the challenge. I almost knocked into the shit already.
I know.
What the fuck? And it has a camo set too. Oh my god, can we just buy these for...
It makes this...
Dude, what? The bow, oh my god. This is fucking great.
Crazy. Dude, oh, what the?
Oh shit.
This one is the... Here.
This is so rad.
I know, right? Ow! Fuck!
Sorry.
That's like the accuracy.
Oh.
I am blessed!
Invincible!
It was like the Matrix. What happened? The hand of God came down and stopped the bullets.
Look at that. I'm gonna do my drum. It's happening.
Just check it.
That.
Marketing challenge.
Exactly. So we have like 360 something. The worst. Brandon. I don't know the other guy's name. We're not that close, but yeah.
Yeah, it was
Got it. Hell yes. Game of Thrones. No spoilers. Oh my god.
I'm doing it.
This is intense.
only human. Dodge this.
Exactly the same.